He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the funniest, funniest Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Bedtime makes me sleepy. Every night, when I close my eyes and sleep, I have dreams. I bet you have dreams too, Teddy. My dreams take me many places where I see and do lots of things. Last night, I dreamt our house was all made of carrots. Sometimes I forget my dreams when I wake up. I wonder what dreams I'll have tonight. I want a funny dream where I can fly with my ears, just like this. I'm flying. I'm flying. No, I'm not really flying. I can only fly in my dreams. What do you want to be in your dreams, Teddy? Oh, yay! I can't wait to start dreaming all my fun dreams. Oh, I'm getting sleepy. Sweet dreams, Teddy. Sweet dreams, everyone. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.